To download and install WinRAR on your Windows computer, it's actually really easy. First, open your web browser and head over to WinRAR.com. I'll drop the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, click on the download tab up top. Now, you'll see a long list of download links. To make things easier, use the platform drop-down menu, select Windows, and hit search. Now find your language, in our case that's English, and then download the 64-bit version at the top. Save the file somewhere easy to find. I'm saving it to the desktop for now. Once that's done, we can go ahead and install it. Now that the WinRAR installer is downloaded, just double-click it to launch. It'll ask for permissions. Go ahead and click Yes. Then choose where you want to install it. I'm sticking with the default location and click Install. In just a few seconds, it'll be installed. Next, you'll need to pick which file types you want to associate with WinRAR. I usually stick with the default options here. You can also choose if you want a desktop shortcut or a start menu shortcut. Again, I'll go with the default. Once that's all set, click OK, then click Done. It'll open up the installation folder, but there's nothing in there we need, so you can just close that. Alright, now that WinRAR is installed, let me show you how to use it real quick. Say you want to compress a file. I'm going to use this image as an example. Just right-click the file, hover over WinRAR, and click on Add to Archive. This opens up the archive settings. I'm leaving everything as is for now and just clicking OK. And there you go. The file is now compressed. If you open it, you'll see the image inside. To extract a file, just right-click the archive, hover over WinRAR and choose Extract here. It'll unpack everything right to your desktop. I already had it extracted, so I got a little pop-up asking to replace the file. And that's it. Super simple. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.